driver's had a blowout. It's 1:30 in the morning. I just want to do a quickie. So I'm going to try to get this tire off and back on in less than a minute. So somebody start the clock. Well, I forgot to grab other tire. You just get that the Dollar General, Walmart, grocery store. Lots of places, really. Well, there you have it. Maybe under a minute was unrealistic. At 1:30 in the morning. It's been a long day. I think 3 or 4 minutes, however long it took, ain't too bad. Better than a professional.